Anyone looking at ordering the iPhone 15 Pro and its standard 128 gigabytes may be disappointed that they won't get to use its full video capabilities without external storage. For the standard 128 gigabytes iPhone 15 Pro, the maximum ProRes 4K at 60fps video format is not available, with the highest recording quality being 1080p at 30fps. This is not an issue for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which starts at 256 gigabytes storage, but certainly something to consider for the smaller iPhone 15 Pro. You'll be hard-pressed to find this information confirmed on Apple's store pages, but McCrumers was able to find these details within the iOS App Store app's iPhone comparison tool, which we were able to verify ourselves. To solve the issue and unlock the full power of ProRes video on the iPhone 15 Pro, you'll either need to pay another $100/£100/AU $200 to upgrade the phone from 128 gigabytes to 256 gigabytes of storage, or use a cable and external storage when recording. The iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro suffer from the same problem, needing at least 256 gigabytes storage to use ProRes in 4K. However, these can't connect to external drives, meaning paying for extra storage is the only option. ProRes video is intended to be a genuine pro-grade format, and accordingly its file sizes are huge. So Apple is arguably limiting this feature out of concern for users who would fill up their whole iPhone storage with just a few minutes of footage. But the fact that this information is oddly well hidden seems unfair to iPhone buyers trying to pick the best model and storage capacity for their needs. The silver lining with this is that thanks to the iPhone 15's USB-C port, connecting a separate SD or hard drive is fairly simple. It's hardly convenient to add a drive and USB-C cable to your daily loadout though, unless you're already a well-kitted out smartphone videographer. But then at that point, you're likely to just pay for the enhanced storage anyway. Whatever you make of Apple's choice to limit ProRes recording on the iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 pre-orders are up and running until Friday, September 22, the day the new iPhones go on open sale. What are the benefits and drawbacks of Apple limiting ProRes 4K at 60fps recording to the iPhone 15 Pro models with 256 gigabytes or more of storage? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.